Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add multiple videos or clips on Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and drop a comment. So now we will be needing just to simply start our project so we can add as many clips as we would like. And simply you will be needing to click on this plus sign so you can start adding multiple clips. Let's just click on it and it will take us to our camera roll. So in my case, those are all the videos or the footage or media in shorts that I have, and you will be able to start choosing as many as you would like. So I will choose this video first, then I will go, for example, to this picture, and let's just add this one as an example. So I'm just going to click on this done button, and now it will load the media. So as you can see, it has imported all the media that I have chosen. So I can just make these shorter and so we can fit on the timeline, and now you can start editing on these multiple clips simultaneously, or you can simply just have them to be overlaid if you would like. And here we can simply start editing. You can start adding clip, changing the speed, volume, etc. You can also add some overlay if you want something to be on top of your videos. So I'm just going to choose overlay. As you can see, you can start adding this overlay and you can start changing it on the video, and you can start editing as any other software. And after that, you will be able to start having all the other edits like adding CCs, or you can change styling, add animation, etc. And finally, you export. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.